students. Today new topic. We are going to discuss about cell biology. Okay, you see that cell biology. Your friend nearby your home, somebody's stomach pain. So you want to meet the doctor. You meet the doctor. Doctor checked and told to you it is a viral infections. Then that bacteria are affected. You are eating that food contaminated with a type of the bacteria. Okay, so food poison. So that caused food poisoning. That only told. So some of the medicine she is given. So you are eating and you are cured that. Okay, so that contaminated food. Okay, contaminate out to that contaminated food. Na, the food is spoiled. Some of the bacteria that food is a contaminated. Okay, wow. So you see that Salmonella species is a bacteria that can cause the food-borne infection. So what we are telling, food-borne infection. So the bacteria are microorganism. So we cannot see the through naked eye. It's only yes, you won't see means only through the microscope only. Okay. Okay. So next you see that that diagram, two diagrams. So two diagram. So this is that bacteria, Salmonella bacteria. Okay, ma'am. So next you see that our earth is a beautiful place where in the different types of the organism it's a very happily coexist, from the minute mosses to huge conifers, visible bacteria to huge blue whale, all have the basic unit. It is called a cell. Okay, wow. So next, cell as a fundamental unit of life. You see, you want make to that one wall means you want the more numerical bricks. Okay, so the similar manner a beehive is composed of the numerous hexagonal units. Some of the organisms are represented by the single cell. Okay, example of the bacteria, that and all. Okay, wow, that's a one bacteria, virus, the single cell. Okay, amoeba it's a single cell. Chlamydomonas, the single cell. Use that basic function unit of organism is called a cell. So it's a very, very important one. The basic foundation unit of an organism is the cell. Foundation. Nammaloda foundation enna cell da. Okay va. The structure of the cell represent the arrangement of part of the organelles is cell. Function the activity, each part of the organelle is a cell. You take to our body. So your nose, more than numerous of the cells make to the nose. Eyes, hand, fingers, neck, stomach, muscles, this and all. You are making to the number of rows of cells. Okay. Make the organelles. Cells are the basic buildings block of the organism. You learn that atoms are the basic building blocks of matter in the chapter 3. Likewise, human body is made up of animal cell and plant cell is made up of the plant cell. So human body is the made up of animal cell and plant is made up of plant cell. Human body in the cell make pannirukku animal cell. Plant cell it's made up of the plant cell. Okay, wow. So next you see that unicellular organism. What is that unicellular organism? Some simple organism are made up of only one cell. They are called the unicellular organism. So define unicellular organism. They are asking to that 2 more questions. Simple cell, simple organism are made up of only one cell. The example I told you to amoeba and chlamydomonas. It's a single cell organism which can be seen with the help of the microscope. we are not see that through the naked eyes. It's only for that through the microscope only. We cannot able to see direct eye. Okay, only we have to see that through the microscope only. Have a look at the image. The Chlamydomonas and amoeba, a single organism which carry out enter the functions. The body of all organisms are made up of the tiny building blocks. So it's made up of the organism. The organism are made up of the tiny building blocks called, okay, cells. Bacteria are also one called the unicellular organism. Bacteria is a unicellular organism. You see that this is the bacteria. So this is the Chlamydomonas. Okay. So next one, multicellular organism. Multicellular organism. The cells are organized into the tissue, organs and organ system in the multicellular organism. Okay, multicellular organism, more cell make to the one organ. Okay, so that is the cells are organized into the more cells organized into the tissues, organs and organ system in the multicellular organism. Okay, the macroscopic organism are visible and consist of many cells. The body of the macroscopic organism involves a various function. Can you see cells of the onion and human through a microscope? Onion and man are example for the multicellular organism. Okay, you see that this is a cell one leaf you are taking to see the through the microscope. This is that the cell block மாதிரி இருக்கும். யார் the செவுரு பூசுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த செல் பிரிக்ஸ் வச்சு கட்டினாங்கன்னா அது எப்படி இருக்குமோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இதில் உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் செல் டு ஆர்கானிசம். செல் டு ஆர்கானிசம். Many cells function together to form tissues. Different tissues combine together to the form an organ and different organs to form an organ system, while leads to form an organs. You see the many cells function together. Many cells function together to the form tissues. Different tissues combine together to the form and the organ and different organ also. Okay, so organisms. Many types of the organ system function together. If organism more than organism, many organ system function together in the body. Example, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, circulator system. Okay, organ system. Many organs together form an organ system. Many organs form the together form an organ system which is concerned with a specific function. For example, respiratory system which has the organs like the nostrils, nasal chamber, windpipe and lungs. This and all are together. It's organs. These organs are together forming the organ system. Okay, then in a plant, the root system consists of the primary root, secondary root and tertiary root, which does the function of the conduction of water, mineral and also the fixations. Okay, you see that the organism. So human is a organism. Organ system na you see that the stomach, small intestine and large intestine also, right? Liver, this and all, pancreas, this and all. So organ means this is the stomach is a organ. Tissue, this is the tissue. Tissue is your muscles. Okay, cell, this is the cell. The cells make to the tissues and organ system and organism. Finally, it's creating to the organism. Okay. Next, this is the human body. So next you see the plant body. Plant, this is a plant cell. The plant cell first make to the tissues, after that organ, the organ many organ together to creating a organ systems, then organism, that a plant. Okay, I understood. So that's one. Next, organ. A collection of different tissues work together to the perform specific function or function is called an organ. What is organ? Na idan. A collection of different tissues work together to perform a specific function. Okay, va? That is a organ. The human body has the different organs like stomach, eye, heart, lungs, etc. are made up of the different types of tissues. Plant have the organs such as leaves, stem and roots. Okay, tissues. Next one, tissues. You see, tissues is a group of cells organized for a specific function. Okay, tissue is a group of cells organized for a specific function. Tissues are the following the phases, like the same shaped cells or the different shaped. So the tissue same cell, same shape or different shape cells perform the common function. The human and other animals are made up of a nerves, epithelial, connective and the muscle tissues. The plants have the transport, productive and ground tissues. Next is cell. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell வந்து the basic structural functional unit of our life. Cell is the building unit of living organism. You can see in the hand how many types of the cells are there to work together to the perform the function. So cell is known as the basic unit of one. Okay. So epidermis, this is your hand. How many cells is making that? You see that epidermal cells, bone cells, muscle cells, nerve cells. This and all you are making to the one organ. Okay. Thank you, dear.